time to work the contraction machine. What phrase is being placed in the machine? I am. The letter A has been zapostrophized. The machine has made a contraction, which are shortened versions of the words. The apostrophe is like glue, as it joins the remaining letters together to form a contraction. So we now have the word I'm. Where is the tractor going? The buzzard has spotted where we can place a contraction. It's by shortening the phrase, where is. The words are going into the machine. Let's watch as the machine replaces the letter I with an apostrophe. We have created the contraction, where's. Where's the tractor going? The fisherwoman could not catch anything. Can you spot where the contraction will go? Nice work! The words could and not can be used to form a contraction. Let's place them into the contraption machine. With these words, we get rid of the letter O from not. Then we push the letters together, placing the apostrophe over where the O would have been. Now we can alter the sentence to the fisherwoman couldn't catch anything. Can you match all of the words with their contractions and beat the timer? I will, cannot, he would, it is, might have, they are, he'd, it's, might have, can't, there, I'll. You have 20 seconds. Go! Shall we see which pairs we made? I will. The contraction is I'll. Cannot matches with can't. He would is the contraction of he'd. It is matches with its. Might have and might have. And finally, they are has the contraction of their. You've figured out how to make certain groups of words into contractions. Well done!